My name is Matt Wilson. I'm from Green Bay, Wisconsin. I kind of just felt like it's more of a different form of body work. So it kind of, keeps me, relevant in the shop. Keeps, it's like a specialized skill, I guess, that we don't really have a lot of other people that can do that in the shop. So to me, it kind of made me a little more valuable for the company. Well, this was the company that my work actually chose for me. I'm sure they did quite a bit of research on it and found this is one of the, the better schools to go to. I feel like there was quite a bit of progression from, the first day through even just through the week. You slowly see your progression as far as like you're working on, on the same hood. So you can kind of go back and gauge, the quality of your work through the end of the week. And I noticed quite a difference in it. And then we go to working on actual vehicles, and it's nice to see like going from where we started at just to currently where we're at, how we can get a dent out of a vehicle and have it look non-existent. Yeah, when I get back, I'm going to be working back in our shop. I feel like I just want to keep working and keep practicing, getting more and more practice, and eventually, who knows, where it might take me in the future. Could possibly be, when I get older, it's something that I could do, on the side, or even just continue in our shop, continuing, just to keep growing with our company. Thank you, Ding King.